Alright, welcome back guys. So today we're going to talk about these headlights, and these are for a Porsche Cayman. So as you probably know, the older Porsches, they don't have those bright LED lights, the kind of bluish or bright white lights. So I decided to go ahead and buy these LASFIT. I just found them online. They seemed like a pretty good deal and they had a lot of good reviews. So I bought these, and this is actually my second pair. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at these. So let's go ahead and get started. So basically when you buy these, they are just to replace your stock headlights. And the cool thing about the Porsche Cayman is you don't actually have to change the entire headlight unit. You just have to change the bulbs. And Porsche makes it pretty easy as long as you have the tools that come with the car. So you'll find those in the front trunk, and you're going to need that. It's like a really long wrench in order to release the headlight unit, and then basically all you're going to do is just swap it out for these. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box right now, and you can see what they look like. So I used to have a Prius, and I switched over to the bright headlights, or these like really bluish bright headlights, and it was kind of a difficult process. I ended up taking the car in to have a mechanic do it, just because during that time they had to put in some sort of like inverter, or there was like an extra little box that came with the headlights. So for example, here's the headlights right now, and those headlights that I bought, they had a wire and then another box like the size of maybe a pack of cigarettes, and then a wire. And I don't know what the box is for. Maybe you do. If you do, leave a comment. But I think it was for just to kind of like control the power that goes into the headlights. So the cool thing about these now, I don't know if the technology's changed, or maybe it's just this company, or whatever the case is. Let me go ahead and take one of these out. So basically it's just the headlight. So it's pretty easy to install. So as you can see, you don't have that extra little box that these used to have, which is pretty neat, and it makes it really easy to install. So I was lucky on my Porsche Cayman. These actually just went right in, and they went with this little clip right here. But so basically you just take the headlight out, and then you unclip the other one, pull that one out, pop this one in, and then there's a metal clip that goes around here, and then you just clip them in, and then plug this into the headlight case, which usually comes out from here on the stock headlights. This one has a wire that sticks out, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. You're just basically changing a bulb. That's it. And then once you put these in, the headlights are so much brighter, so much clearer. There's a couple of different reasons why I bought these headlights. The first one is it just feels a lot safer, because when you're driving at night, depending on what your vision's like, these really increase the visibility, especially if there's no street lamps out. It just lights up the whole street without making it look like you have your brights on. You know, when you're driving down the street and somebody has their brights on, it's really blinding. These don't do that, so that's pretty cool, but it still lights up the entire street so much better. So it just feels much safer. Two, a second reason I got these is because my Cayman, it's an older model. As you can see, I have the older key right here. So this is 2008. So it's 2018 going into 2019 now. So it's more than 10 years old. So the car, fortunately, because Porsches just kind of keep that look, it doesn't really look like an old car. It still looks very new. But with these new upgraded headlights, it just gives it a much newer feeling. Actually, a lot of times people think it's like, 2015, 2016 with the new headlights in it. So that's pretty cool. Most modern cars and much newer cars, especially sports cars, are going to have that upgraded LED or halogen headlights. But since mine's so old, it didn't have that. So this is just an easy way for me to kind of swap them out, make the car look much newer. Now, as far as different colors, I'm actually not too sure if these come in different colors or not. So I know that on the other pair that I bought, but that was for a Prius, you could choose between like the blue or the bright white or something like that. I think these ones are 6,000 Let me see here. Yeah, here's the back of the box that has more information on it. Oh, here it is right here. So if you see right there halfway on the left side, it's lumens, 7,600 lumens. And then the color temperature, yep, I got 6,000. So this is not really like that really dark blue. This one, I prefer to have like the really bright white. I think this might be, it's like kind of tinted blue, but not really though. To me, I don't really like that color just because it kind of, I don't know, it feels like, it's just not my personal preference. If that's what you like, that's cool. This company happens to make all of those. So I got the size H7, and that's what fits my car. And then, lastly, as far as the packaging goes, when they ship it to you, this is a pretty cool, like, it's a substantial box. It's really sturdy. Actually, it feels like an expensive box for a box. And then in here, it's got this like really thick foam to protect the headlights, so nothing's going to happen to those. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not really a lot to it. I don't think it comes with any instructions. One thing I do want to note though is when I bought this, I ended up getting an email from the company, and they were saying that depending on your car, or whatever Porsche that you have, you may need to buy an adapter clip if these don't fit. I was lucky, mine just fit right away, so I didn't have to buy them. But if you need an adapter clip, it's going to be an extra, I'm not sure how much ever because I didn't actually buy one, but I don't think it would be that expensive because these are less than $100. So I don't imagine the clip being expensive either. But yeah, again, just be aware that once you take your headlight out and you try to pop these in, if for some reason the clip doesn't fit, you have to buy an adapter from them or from someone else. Check the description below and then you can check the price on the clips if that happens to be what you're looking for. Anyhow, hope you like this review. So again, these are the LASFIT LED lighting, size H7, 6,000, temperature 6,000, and this is for the Porsche Cayman. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like the video, click thumbs up, and hopefully subscribe for more videos. Thanks again for watching.